A taste of tradition. The Kolsetemb Choir at Malvani Days. On a breezy evening filled with music, memories, and mouth-watering flavors, the Kolsetemb Choir Assemble gathered for a heartfelt celebration of heritage at Malvani Days. It was more than just a dinner. It was a journey back to our roots. The evening began with the irresistible aroma of crispy fried prawns and the spicy allure of Tisreo Masala, a beloved shellfish delicacy. As the plates arrived, so did the stories, tales of coastal life, childhood mischief, and village memories that warmed our hearts. The highlight of the night was the traditional Malvani Thali, a feast that proudly showcased the rich culinary legacy of the Konkan coast. From kingfish to pomfret, and the rare Chonak, every dish brought a taste of the sea and a flood of nostalgia. Laughter echoed through the evening as we bonded over food, friendship, and fond recollections. It was a memorial evening, simple yet soulful, a cherished moment etched in time. For the Kolsetemb Choir, this gathering was more than just a meal. It was a celebration of who we are, where we come from, and the traditions we carry forward.